you? People are dying.
Up against a 335D in a Type R. Just gonna see how fast the car is, to be honest. You're mad. You're crazy fast. Out guys, so far update, there's only one Skyline down there. It's getting a lot of credit over there. There's one Subaru GC8. Look at guys, Lexus IS200, wicked car. I like it because it's one of my favorite cars, and you know what, he is looking cool right now. He's opening the bonnet. Let's see what. Whoa man, it looks so good. Look at that, man. I bet he feels like Paul Walker right now. There he is. Look at him. It's not how you stand by your car, it's how you drive your car. So sick. So you wouldn't never think, no, it's fast. It's a Golf R convertible. I like that. Oh yeah. Sick. Have we got a black Type R? VXR's taking over. Nice VXR, my favourite VXR colour that is. Nice Cupra this is, loving it. Do love Cupras. See, I'm loving the amount of cars that has turned up in this first new car meet. I am liking this. We don't want no illegal people in this car meet. I really like it. I do. It's drift ready. This is.
This you got Instagram or YouTube? I'll give you subscribe already.
Oh yeah, Hoodstig. But your favorite car is S14, you say?
So far, yes.
Not the Skyline.
Yeah, there's the two, man.
Sick. SR20.
Yeah, SR20.
Oh, sick.
He's got enough nosh in there to blow himself up, period.
Yeah.
Forged.
Yeah, fully forged.
What CC injectors you're running?
Running 750s.
750. So I'm guessing it's about 350, 400.
480. Turbo's good for 900. Engine's built for 900.
Oh, serious?
I got and ready intake, ready to go on. And then I got a run digital dashboard.
Did you build it yourself? Or?
Yeah, I built the whole car myself.
Wow. Thank you for that. Appreciate you. I'm really liking this E36 dope car. This is next level. This is. Let me just see the engine. It's got sick, sick. RB20 DET, different coil pack. It's got SSQV dump valve. It's got the same strut bar as my Skyline. It's a lot cleaner than mine. I'm quite impressed with that. I like this. That's nice. That oil cooler. That is pretty sick. That is. It's pretty clean, you know, as well. I like it.